Senate Bill 442 is dead, but the political arguments that left it tied up in the legal system for months after the end of the 2023 legislative session are not. Now, the Montana Supreme Court is going to need to sort through those arguments.
Good morning, everybody. This is the time set for our oral argument.
The court, as it does periodically, left its chambers, this time holding oral arguments at the state bar's annual meeting. SB 442 would have redirected some marijuana tax revenue to fund county road projects and wildlife habitat. It initially passed the 2023 legislature with broad bipartisan support, but Governor Gianforte vetoed it. Because the veto came right around the time the Senate adjourned, there were disputes over whether lawmakers could try to overturn it. Conservation groups and the Montana Association of Counties went to court, and a district judge ordered the state to poll lawmakers by mail. But Republican lawmakers protested what they called judicial overreach, and the bill got well short of the two-thirds support it needed. Though the bill itself is now no longer at issue, attorneys for the governor and Secretary of State want the court to throw out the precedent the judge set.
The Secretary of State remains in this position where, regardless of what is said in statute, we have to obey the district court's constitutional interpretation. And the record also establishes that there are other bills that are in the same scenario.
The groups that sued say the case is now moot, but even if it isn't, the judge's action was appropriate.
The people of Montana did not want the governor to have undue political power at the end of the session to prevent the legislature from being allowed to override vetoes.
But some of the justices questioned whether it had been proper for the judge to order officials to conduct a poll.
How can the district court legitimately say, well, this situation created an anomaly that we need to add something to the Constitution?
Your Honor, I would respectfully disagree that there's any addition to the Constitution here.
The court doesn't take any immediate action after hearing oral arguments. In Helena, Jonathan Amberian, MTN News.